Welcome to this new AutoCAD tutorial. Today we're going to cover 5 popular AutoCAD commands. So let's get started. AutoCAD has many powerful commands that you can use to draw and modify your designs. To use a command, you can simply start typing and the command will show on the screen. You can also type your command in the command bar on the bottom of the screen. Additionally, some commands have some shortcuts that you can use, such as L for line, C for circle, and so on. Let's start with the first command. The first popular command used in AutoCAD is the line command, and its shortcut is L. This command lets you draw a straight line. To use this command, simply type L and hit enter, and the command will be activated. The command bar will display a message asking you to select a point on the screen. Select a point by clicking and moving your cursor to your final point and click. This will create a line for you. Also, you can choose to use the dynamic input feature when drawing a line. The dynamic input is a feature in AutoCAD that shows command prompts near your cursor, allowing you to work more interactively. You can turn the dynamic input on and off using the F12 key. When on, you'll see prompts near your cursor for dimensions, angles, and other command-related inputs. For example, when the line command is activated, you can choose to enter the first point of your line by simply typing the coordinates of that point. For instance, if you type 0, 0 and hit enter, this will place your first point at the 0, 0 coordinate. Then you can choose to type your line length by simply typing a value. Additionally, you can switch to choose your line angle by clicking on the tab key on your keyboard and typing the value that you want and hit enter. This will create a line that is 10 units long at 45-degree angle. Again, to switch between various dynamic input parameters, you can use the tab key on your keyboard. The second popular command we will cover today is the circle command, and its shortcut is C. This command allows you to draw a circle. For example, type C and hit enter. This will activate the circle command. As displayed on the command bar, to use the circle command, you can simply start by specifying a center point on the screen for the circle. To do so, click anywhere on the screen and then drag. This will create your circle. To finish your circle, click anywhere you desire and your circle is created. If you desire to create a circle with a certain radius, you can simply activate your circle command, click anywhere on the screen and then type the radius you want. Also, you can use the dynamic input feature to specify your circle center point. To do so, activate your circle command, type your coordinates for the center of your circle, and hit enter. This will place your circle center at the required coordinate. Then simply, you could choose to type your radius, and this will create your circle at the specified coordinate with the specified radius. The third command we're going to learn today is the move command, and its shortcut is M. This command lets you move objects around your drawing. To use the move command, simply type M and hit enter, and this will activate the move command. As specified in the command bar, you have to select the object to move, hit enter, and the object that you want to move is selected. Then you have to specify a base point for your moving. In this case, I want to specify the center of the circle as my base point. I simply hover over the center of the circle and click, and then I'm free to move my circle wherever I want. Move the circle to the required location and click, and this will replace your circle. The fourth command we're going to learn today is the copy command, and its shortcut is CO. This command allows you to create copies of objects. For instance, type CO and hit enter, then as specified in the command bar, select the object to copy, hit enter. Then you can select a base point which will allow you to move your copied object wherever you want. I will select the center of the circle, and then this will allow me to move my new circle and place it wherever I want. To exit the copy command, simply hit escape. The last command we're going to learn today is the trim command, and its shortcut is TR. This command lets you trim unnecessary parts of objects. For instance, if I have these two overlapping circles and I wish to remove the overlapping lines, I can simply activate my trim command by typing TR and hit enter. Then specify a point close to the lines that I want to trim. Then I would have to drag my cursor over the lines that I wish to trim and select the final point. This will trim any lines that interfere with my trim line. These are just few of the most commonly used commands in AutoCAD. I will leave a list with all the available commands and their shortcuts in the description. Thank you for watching.